makes Adobe one of the most influential companies in the creative world today? With industry-leading tools like Photoshop and Illustrator, Adobe continues to empower creators globally. In this video, we'll explore how Adobe has revolutionized the creative world, from its early days to its position as an industry leader today. We'll cover its mission, financials, leadership, and future growth potential, along with its commitment to sustainability and cutting-edge innovations. Founded in 1982, Adobe has transformed the creative industry with tools that empower digital content creators worldwide. Mission: to change the world through digital experiences. Vision: to enable creativity for all and transform how people communicate visually. Adobe's financial performance is strong, with $15.79 billion in revenue for 2022 and impressive profitability across its product suite. Under the leadership of Shantanu Narayen, Adobe has embraced digital transformation with a strong focus on cloud-based products and AI. Adobe plans to continue expanding its reach through AI-driven tools, cloud solutions, and global partnerships. Adobe is committed to sustainability with a goal to achieve net zero emissions by 2035 and a focus on renewable energy. Adobe's flagship products include Photoshop, Illustrator, and Premiere Pro, which have revolutionized creative industries worldwide. Adobe has a commanding market share in creative software, maintaining its position as the go-to choice for professionals across industries. Adobe is widely respected in the creative community for its innovation and reliability. Investors view Adobe positively, with confidence in its steady growth and strong market leadership. Adobe faces competition from emerging software providers and the growing trend of cheaper alternatives. Global economic conditions and regulatory changes could pose challenges to Adobe's growth. Adobe is transforming the creative industry with AI, cloud-based products, and a focus on sustainable growth. Adobe's innovative software suite empowers individuals and businesses to create visually compelling digital content. Want to stay updated on Adobe's latest innovations and financial performance? Subscribe for more insights. Why should Adobe be on your radar? Adobe's market dominance, commitment to innovation, and leadership in the creative industry make it a stock worth considering.